And we begin with a stunning legal development in the Chandra Levy murder case. Prosecutors have dropped the charges against the man convicted of killing the Modesto native. The U.S. Attorney's Office will not retry Omar Guandique, and he will be released from prison. Levy disappeared back in 2001 while interning in our nation's capital. Her remains were found a year later. Guandique was tried and convicted in 2010, but granted a new trial last year.
But according to the statement, prosecutors concluded they could not convict Guandique based on recent unforeseen developments that were investigated over the past week. The statement does not elaborate. Levy's mother still lives in Modesto. We spoke with her this afternoon.
I have to say I'm in a state of shock, totally in a state of shock. And I only wish that we can get the right person in, whoever did what happened to my daughter. And technically, it was a technical issue, and I am feeling pretty shocky right now, physically, emotionally not doing very well.
Now, Levy, who was 24 at the time of her murder, was romantically linked to then-Congressman Gary Condit. He was ultimately ruled out as a suspect and was never charged in the case.
Ken Rosenfeld is a defense attorney in Sacramento.
He joins us live now in our newsroom to give us some legal analysis on this bombshell in the Chandra Levy case. And Ken, one reason this happened had to do with a witness whose credibility had been called into question here. So was this just a case of the prosecution not having trust in the witness to move forward?
No, not at all. I think that got you to the first stage of this. This happens in two stages. The first stage is the motion for a new trial that was granted, which just wipes out the conviction totally. The second stage is going forward with a new trial. So the witness testimony, the prosecution withheld witness evidence from the defense that was critical to the case. That's why a judge granted a new trial. But the statement that you read earlier tells you everything you need to know. There's something that happened over the last week that gave them who the true person is that did this crime, and it's not the man that's in custody, and that's why he's going home.
So this has been a tough case from the start, Ken. No murder weapon, no forensic evidence. Did the prosecution rush this case, and this is the result?
Well, I'm not sure if they rushed this case. The prosecution trusted a jailhouse snitch, which always has questions of credibility. Look, this is a high-profile, high-media case. I think it's somewhat suspect that Gary Conduit's attorneys are not returning calls and not answering questions. There's a person of interest, and if I was Gary Conduit and his people, I'd be very concerned about what evidence has been unearthed over the last week.
So, Ken, where does this case go from here, and how tough is it to restart a case that's been around for so long?
Well, the federal government's told you that they know who didn't do it, and that's the guy who's getting out of prison. If they thought they can convict him and they thought that he truly was the murderer, this case would be going forward. But they said that there was evidence uncovered over the last week, which gives them not just pause, but opening the jailhouse door so this guy goes out. So if this guy's going out, somebody's going to have to be going in. So that's where it stands right now. And I don't think the public's going to let this rest. And I think given the high-profile nature, it does get more attention than the regular case. Again, take a look at the circumstances and see who's not talking, and that should lead you to where they're going.
Yeah, and you heard the heartache from Chandra's mother, just so evident. Ken, thanks for your time, as always. Sure. Appreciate it. This case is going to be ongoing for many months to come. We'll check in with you again soon.